Pastel Gugu Egg Pouch Mini Bag. Four-ply cotton. Work a chain stitch. Cut the yarn. We repeat like this, working a group of stitches in each hole, for a total of 8 groups. With these 8 groups completed, we work a slip stitch above the first group, a chain stitch, in the last hole, we skip it, so 7 groups of 5 double crochets are done. Next, we work 3 chain stitches, and a slip stitch in the same hole. At this position, we can leave a buttonhole, depending on how long you need, just work chain stitches. Work chain stitches to your desired length, then work a slip stitch. After leaving the buttonhole, continue with 3 chain stitches, and work a slip stitch in the first hole, a chain stitch. Round 3 completed. Hide the yarn tail. With 1 group completed, continue correspondingly with 5 single crochets. 5 single crochets done, insert the hook into the second round pattern, and work an elongated single crochet, second group completed. We need 6 identical groups, 6 groups completed. Finally, work 5 single crochets one stitch to another, 5 single crochets done, work a slip stitch and a chain stitch. Round 4 crocheting finished. Turn the work piece. First, work 3 chain stitches as the beginning chain, then work 41 double crochets, one stitch to another. Here, we need to work into the front loop, the yarn closer to you. Work even, 41 double crochets completed, finally work a chain stitch. Round 5 crocheting finished, we need 2 identical pieces. After 6 double crochets, work a single crochet in the last stitch, then chain 1 and cut the yarn. First piece completed. This is the chick's head, this is the neck position, this is the tail area. For the other piece, crochet it in the opposite direction. Continue skipping 1 stitch and working single crochet increases 2 single crochets in each of the next 2 stitches. Second piece, don't cut the yarn, turn it over, match it with the first piece, neck to neck, tail to tail, and join with a slip stitch. Join with a slip stitch into the first stitch, then work a chain stitch. Next, work 1 stitch to another into the back loop, the inner 2 strands, pick 1 stitch from the first piece, then 1 stitch from the second piece, and work a slip stitch. Work 1 stitch to another carefully, don't skip any stitches in the middle to keep it neat. Continue picking 1 stitch from the first piece, and 1 from the second piece, working slip stitches until reaching the 8th flower pattern. When reaching the last stitch of the 8th flower pattern, work a slip stitch through both layers of the stitch, then work a chain stitch. Weave in the ends. Tail. Tail crocheting finished, weave in the ends. The main part of the bag is completed. Finally, attach the eyes and crochet the strap. If you prefer longer, work more chain stitches, if shorter, work fewer chain stitches. Now this cute and silly chick egg pouch bag is done. Start crocheting if you like it.